How about Old MacDonald? Who? Mommy and Daddy and who? Who else is with Mommy and Daddy?
Baby.
Baby, what's his name?
Cole.
Cole.
It's you.
Remember, no yelling. You don't want to scare the baby.
Hi, Kayla.
Come on, girls, let's back away from the door. No screaming.
I don't think he'll care.
Pure excitement.
He brought you a present, Kayla. Cole brought you a present.
Oh,
It's from Cole. He wanted you to have it.
It's a ducky.
that's
Yeah.
so nice.
He loves you.
Oh,
Yeah, Cole wanted you to have a present.
wow, that's very nice.
Yeah, he's nice.
Wait.
Yeah.
Look at his hair. Oh my God. He looks so different today.
My
Does he?
business
Yeah.
bag.
Just ask nicely. Say, Shelby, can I have my ducky back?
So where's my business bag?
Shelby, will you give her her ducky back?
What are you?
Cookies.
You're what?
I'm eating cookies.
You're eating cookies. Oh, are you, are you Elmo?
No.
Who are you?
Kayla.
You're Kayla. Are you? Oh, you're eating cookies. So you must be Cookie Monster? Yeah? What does a Cookie Monster do?
He eats cookies.
He eats cookies? Wow.
No. I eat cookies like Cookie Monster.
Oh. You want to look in there again? Go ahead, look in there.
No.
No, don't touch it. You can look in the hole. Do you see anything in there? Huh? You don't see anything in there? Look. Aw, here she is. Were you singing? You singing, where is Kayla? Where is Kayla? I don't know. I don't know.
Make it like that.